Fire extinguishers are great, but emergency fire blankets are, if you haven't gotten these for your home, highly recommend it. I'm going to show you the ones I just got for our house. This came in a pack of 4. Here's the full package. So we've got 4 of these. They do have some heft to them, and I'll show it to you in just a second. But here it is. Easy rip down tabs. This package comes with more than just the blankets, because if these are stashed in a drawer somewhere, they might not be as accessible when you need them. The kit also came with hooks, like really nice hooks. They have this seal on them. Peel off that, you've got these great stainless steel hooks and sticky pads so they go on the wall. So you can have these throughout your home, should the need arise. This kit also came with these fire retardant gloves, so you can more confidently handle whatever fire situation you've got going on, okay? Really comfortable, nice and grippy rubberized dots. These are just ready to go with the kit. So let's look at the fire blanket that's inside here, okay? You've got instructions right here, very easy to read. And the whole thing just comes out really fast, really easy. And here's the blanket. It's a very smooth material, thick and well stitched. Do we see this? So this is going to put out fires. Literally, you open this up. Here's how big it is. All you do is throw this on the fire. Ready? You still there? Great. So that's it. This is not a one and done thing. I've obviously not used this. I'm going to fold it back up and put it right back in here, hang these on my wall, and sleep better at night knowing that these are accessible where and when we might need them. Hope this was helpful.